Hey there, welcome back to one more video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to do green screen editing inside Davinci Resolve. In this tutorial, we are gonna see two different ways to do green screen editing. Once you are inside Davinci Resolve, you have to put your clip inside the timeline. I have my clip that has this green screen and we are gonna remove this green screen from this clip. So what I can do, I can go to effects, and inside the effects you can go to OpenFX, and in the OpenFX you can search 3D gear. 3D gear 3D gear will appear. You can drag it onto a clip, and once you dragged it onto a clip, you can go to the inspector. If your inspector is enabled, then it's fine. If it's not enabled, then you can go to the top right corner, and over there you can enable the inspector. And in the inspector there are a lot of options like video, audio, effects. You can go to effects, and over here you can choose these pickers to select the screen color. So but before that, what we are going to do, we are going to come over to the bottom left corner of our viewer section, and you can see over here this transform. If you click on this drop down, you are going to see different options like crop, dynamic zoom, OpenFX overlay, fusion overlay, and annotations, all these things. So you can come over to this OpenFX overlay. Once it's enabled, you can come over here to the plus add section, and you can click on it and like draw a line or something on the screen. I'm gonna reset it to fit. Okay, now you see the green screen has been removed. But if you zoom out the clip, you can see some fine like green lining behind our subject. So to remove this thing, what we can do, we can come over here in the matte finish, and over here you see this clean black. If you like increase it, you see the green lining has been removed, but the black lining is also appearing onto our subject. So yep, we can like keep it minimum, and we can keep it so that it does a little bit of a perfect job. And now you can see our green screen has been removed, and there is one more way. Why we are going to the second way? Because in this the first way there is a little problem. I will show you. Even though I have applied all the like matte finish, and I have selected all the colors perfectly, there's still some green linings remaining onto our subject, as you can see over here. And we are gonna need to remove, if you wanna like get an perfect green screen edit. So we are gonna move on to the second option. So for that, what we can do, you can just like, we don't need this. Okay, we have our clip over here, and I'm gonna delete this effect. Okay, the effect has been deleted. Now this is our original clip with the green screen. We can move over to the fusion page now, and in this fusion page we are gonna apply our green screen editing. So what we can do, you can like press shift and space bar on your keyboard, and if you like type in delta, so delta key will appear. You can add it, and it will be sometimes automatically added in between both of our media in one and media out one. But if it's not added, like why it was added, like I will show you. So originally I have selected my media in one was selected. So suppose I want to add something, let's say blur. So if a node is selected and you add something, that node the node that you want to add will directly be put in between the clips, in between the two different nodes. But if the node none of the nodes is selected, then it will come over in this blank space. Like for now I have not selected any of these nodes. Now if I press shift and space and type in delta key, then delta key will appear, and I will add a node, and you can see this node has appeared over here. So either way is fine. I don't need the blur node right now, so I'm going to remove it. We have the delta keyer node. You can press shift and put this delta keyer node onto the line and it will be selected like by. So now we have our delta keyer 1 in between media in 1 and media out 1. Now we have got a little bit idea of nodes. Now move on to our inspector. If it's your inspector node enabled, you can enable the inspector. And over here, you can either pick the color from your screen or you can manually choose the color. So I recommend picking the color from the screen, as you can see. So all the green part has been like removed from my clip. But as you can see, the some little I will show you. You see, the black part of this football was also removed, and I don't want anything that has happened to my subject. So I want my whole portion of my subject. I don't want anything to be removed. So what I can do over here, I can go over here to the mate, and over here you see, if you want to see what's happening over here, you can come over here to the mate, and now you will get the idea like what's happening. So we whatever is inside the clip, inside this our viewer, that we want to keep should be completely white, and whatever we want to be removed should be completely black. So we want to remove the green screen, so that area is completely black, but we want the entire football, but it's partially white, not completely white. So we want to make it completely white, and to make it completely white, we can adjust the threshold from right to left. And now I think it's perfect. It's almost completely white, and now you can check your final result, and I will show you. You see, there is if you increase it way too much, still there is way too little. It's way better than the previous one, the first one that we have seen. So yep, this was all about the green screen editing tutorial. Now once you have this green screen like removed, you can put this clip onto of any of the clips. Like for example, we have this clip over here, so I can put this clip and I can put this clip onto this one, and now I have my football clip over this train clip. So yep, this was all it from my side. Hope you liked this video. Leave a comment and your valuable suggestion on what can be like, if there is any issue that you are facing, I will gladly help you out. You can like type your query and anything you want to ask, and I will surely make a video on that for you. So yep, this was all it. Have a nice day. Bye.